Understanding affiliate marketing, a beginner's guide, affiliate marketing. It's a buzzword you've likely encountered in the online world. But what does it actually mean? In simple terms, affiliate marketing is like being a digital salesperson. You recommend products or services you love to your audience. When someone makes a purchase through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. Imagine this. You've got a passion for healthy living. You start a blog sharing delicious smoothie recipes and workout tips. As you build a loyal following, you discover an amazing blender brand. You sign up for their affiliate program. Now you can recommend this blender to your audience using your unique affiliate link. Every time someone buys the blender through your link, you earn a commission. The more effectively you promote products and drive sales, the more you can earn. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a student, or someone looking for a side hustle, affiliate marketing offers a flexible and potentially lucrative opportunity to earn money online. Finding your niche, the key to affiliate success. One of the most crucial steps in your affiliate marketing journey is finding your niche. Your niche is your area of focus, your specialty. It's where your passions and interests intersect with a target audience's needs. Start by considering your interests. What are you passionate about? Your enthusiasm will shine through in your content and resonate with your audience. Next, think about profitability. Are there products or services in your niche that people are willing to buy? Research popular affiliate networks and marketplaces to see what types of products are in demand. It's also important to consider competition. While a popular niche can be profitable, it can also be highly competitive. Don't be afraid to explore niche subcategories. Finding your niche is about creating content that you're genuinely excited to share and that will resonate with a specific group of people. Discovering profitable affiliate programs. With your niche defined, it's time to find affiliate programs that align with your chosen market. There are countless affiliate programs available across various niches. Your goal is to find programs that offer quality products or services that your audience will love. Start by researching companies within your niche that offer affiliate programs. Many companies have dedicated affiliate program pages on their websites. You can also search for affiliate programs on networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, and ClickBank. When evaluating affiliate programs, consider these factors: commission structure, cookie duration, payment terms, and product quality. The commission rate is the percentage of each sale you earn. Cookie duration determines how long a referral is tracked after someone clicks your link. And of course, you want to promote products you believe in, and that will provide value to your audience. Don't be afraid to join multiple affiliate programs within your niche. Section 4. Promoting like a pro: strategies for success. Finding the right affiliate programs is just the first step. The real magic happens when you effectively promote affiliate products to your audience. Content marketing is a powerful way to promote affiliate products naturally and authentically. Create valuable, informative content that solves your audience's problems or answers their questions. Naturally, weave in your affiliate links within your content, ensuring they add value and don't feel forced. Email marketing is another effective strategy. Build an email list of engaged subscribers who trust your recommendations. Segment your list based on interests and tailor your affiliate promotions accordingly. Offer exclusive discounts or bonuses to incentivize purchases through your affiliate links. Social media platforms can also be valuable channels for affiliate marketing. Share your affiliate links on your profiles, in relevant groups, or through paid advertising campaigns. Always disclose your affiliate relationships and only promote products you genuinely believe in. Section 5. Reaping the rewards, benefits, and earning potential. Affiliate marketing offers a wealth of benefits for those willing to put in the effort. One of the most significant advantages is its low barrier to entry. You don't need to create your own products, handle inventory, or deal with customer service. You're essentially leveraging existing products and infrastructure to generate income. Affiliate marketing also provides flexibility and scalability. You can work from anywhere with an internet connection, and you're not limited by time constraints. As you build your audience and refine your strategies, you can scale your earnings exponentially. The earning potential in affiliate marketing is virtually limitless. Beyond the monetary rewards, affiliate marketing allows you to pursue your passions, connect with like-minded individuals, and potentially achieve financial freedom. Section 6. Conclusion: your journey to affiliate marketing success. Embarking on the affiliate marketing journey can be both exciting and rewarding. By understanding the fundamentals, choosing the right niche, finding profitable programs, and implementing effective promotion strategies, you can unlock the potential of this lucrative online business model. Stay curious, experiment with different approaches, and never stop seeking ways to improve. With dedication and the right strategies, you can turn your passion into a thriving online business.